Alright guys, today's the day. It's HeroesCon. We're going to be going to eat breakfast right now with the guys, and then we're heading off to the Comic-Con. Let's get it. Alright guys, we just got here. We're in the parking lot right now. We pulled in, and now we're going to head inside. We're here about 30 minutes early, so I think we're going to go inside, wait in the line, and get inside as soon as possible. We already got our wristbands yesterday with the early access. Russell got free wristbands with the kids cosplay contest, so pretty excited. And there's Chad. He's on the phone. Alright guys, we just got done. We got some signatures, Russ got a bunch of comics, and now we're heading out to get some drink. $1 sodas are over there. Alright guys, it is day 2 of HeroesCon. We got the family, the whole squad here. Batman's ready, and we're about to head back in for day 2. This is Janet's first time at HeroesCon. Are you excited? In Charlotte. Yeah. She's been to Comic-Con before, but never HeroesCon. So you're in for a treat. Let's go. Janet, who are you?
This game is really popular. It's Baldi Space 6. A lot of people like it, and I thought it would be cool if I was going to be playtime.
Alright, cool, thanks. Who are you, bro?
It's Rylan.
You're Ree? You're you?
Yeah.
If I am you, you are me.
I'm just here to, you know.
You're just that hot mom
No,
chick.
I'm just here to play Pokemon.
I got mine too. We're gonna kill it. Today's the Pokemon community event for the Larvitar eggs, so we're here downtown also to get some Pokestops. Hi, little princess.
Can you see?
Went through the entire thing. Right now we're taking a quick break. Batman's beating up Rylan. How do you feel?
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you closing your eyes? Are you in character?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you like everything so far, honey?
It's good. Tiring already.
We've been here for an hour.
Thirsty. Somebody drink like both the drinks.
All right,
outside.
Let's get a drink. We're done. We're heading home. Actually, we're gonna stay here and we're gonna go Pokeballing. Play Pokemon Go.